Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Laravel. So today we are going to learn about to delete and delete permanently subscribers from the Mailchimp account. So there is two functions, that is delete and delete subscribers permanently. So let's take an example. What's the difference between that? Deleting is not the same as unsubscribing. Unlike unsubscribing, deleting a member will result in the loss of all the history as well as removing them from the list. In most cases, you want to unsubscribe instead of delete. Means that deleting is not the same as unsubscribing. It's a somewhat different. It will just delete your all the data linked to that part from that one. Okay, and deleting permanently all personal identifiable information related to the list member and remove them from the list. This will make it impossible to re-import the list. Here import is possible, whatever you have delete, but here re-import part is not done in that case, right? So first of all, we will use delete part or delete permanently. So use whatever we so that is suitable. Just copy this one and just add it over here. Here I'm going to comment this one, so I'm going to just delete it information. Okay, save it and go and check this one, and I'm going to add import, submit. Let's see. So you can see that that account is deleted from here. Okay, so this is how you can use both of the things, like delete permanently and delete this one. Okay, so but this can be re-import again, but here it cannot be re-import if you delete it permanently, right? So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.